Snowmageddon 2015 in Connecticut. Storm is ongoing. Taking the video out from my front door. We can't get out yet. The snow is up to the front steps. Pan over to my front garden. There's my front yard garden, which is completely covered with snow. Sticking out of the ground there are you see some sticks. It's a tree we took down a month or two ago to increase sunlight exposure in the front garden, and it's almost completely covered. The wind has calmed down quite a bit. It's still snowing. At a fairly steady rate. We get some wind gusts. Occasionally. There's our sky. And that's our driveway. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit so you can see our cars. At the top of the driveway, the wind has kept the snow off of the cars. It's drifted around the cars, but not on the cars. We will have to shovel, probably it looks like maybe 2 feet of snow to get up to the cars.